Hey, yo, put some sparklers on that Ciroc and make it look like the 4th of July in this motherfucker. Yeah. Clap your hands to this. Yeah. Clap your hands to this. Move something now. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Move something now.
Why the fuck you put this picture over here, man? Is this your son?
That nephew.
That's your son, nigga? But yeah, I'll give you a call later. I just wanted to just check up on you. Right here.
Say what's up, bitch ass nigga. Ow! Ow! Ow!
And now we're walking in the supply house.
I got that flare in that Montclair bubbling blue beans high and incarnate. That's just something you know. I got a chick that got blonde hair.
What are you doing?
With extensions. Both in my
Jumping the top, man.
hand in detention. Got the white TBM custom.
See, the damper's gonna go right here.
Got the all black made, call it bitch.
Damper's gonna go on this side.